to the auditory drill, we're taking away the visual component of that, and now again, we're isolating those phonemes. So Nicole just did the DR, okay? So now I'm taking this away and I might say, okay, I want you to write down all of the graphemes. So now I'm using that word because I want them to use letters. I want you to write down the graphemes that make the phoneme dr. Okay? They're gonna repeat it back to me. They're gonna write it down, and as they're doing it with their marker or their pencil, whatever they're doing, they're saying it and they're underlining it. So they're also recognizing how many, okay? Same, now when you get to farther into the progression and students are learning that different graphemes make more than one phoneme. So let's talk about C, and then we're gonna move into, that's why it's important for us to use the language of, tell me all the graphemes that make this phoneme, because we want them to think about all of the graphemes, that it has more than one. So then they're going to be now writing more than one, okay? So C, K. They might even do CK if they've gotten to that rule too. So it's a lot of memory too, so having to go back. And that's why it's super important when we get to the end of progression that we're constantly spiraling and reviewing, because it's a lot of memory for our kids to be able to remember all that when they get done.